at the DJI Neo 2, and specifically what the 2026 leaks are revealing about its future potential. If you're a drone enthusiast, a beginner looking to get into aerial photography, or just someone who loves cutting-edge gadgets, stick around because this is going to be eye-opening. Imagine a drone so compact it fits in your pocket, yet powerful enough to capture Hollywood-level footage. That's the promise, and by the end of this, you'll see why it's not just hype. Let's start from the beginning. Remember the original DJI Neo? That little powerhouse launched back in 2024, weighing in at under 250 grams, making it registration-free in most places. It was a hit for its ease of use, no remote needed. Just hand launch it and let the AI take over with tracking modes. But fast forward to late 2025, and DJI drops the Neo 2. Building on that foundation with upgrades that feel like a quantum leap. Now in 2026, fresh leaks are surfacing about software updates, potential hardware tweaks, and how it's evolving in a world where drone bans and regulations are tightening up, especially in the US. What if I told you these leaks suggest the Neo 2 could dodge those restrictions with clever tech? Intrigued? Good, because we're just getting started. Picture this. You're out on a hike. You pull this tiny drone from your backpack. It's only 151 grams, lighter than your smartphone. You toss it into the air, and boom, it's flying. No fumbling with controllers if you don't want to. The leaks confirm a new 2-axis mechanical gimbal, which means smoother video than ever before. We're talking 4K at 60 frames per second for crisp, professional-grade footage, or crank it up to 100 frames per second for buttery slow motion that makes your action shots look epic. And the camera? A 1/2-inch CMOS sensor with 12 megapixels? But hold on, some leaks hint at an upgraded 1/1.3-inch sensor in future iterations, capturing more light for stunning low-light performance. Imagine filming a sunset over the mountains, and every color pops without that grainy noise. But what really sets the Neo 2 apart is the intelligence baked in. The all-round collision sensing is a game changer. Front LiDAR, top and bottom sensors, even rear detection. This thing can navigate through trees, around buildings, or during a bike ride without crashing. The new cycle tracking AI is like having a personal cameraman following your every move on a mountain bike trail. Leaks show it's using advanced active track features that lock onto you or your subject with pinpoint accuracy, even at speeds up to 27 miles per hour. Think about it. You're shredding down a path, and the drone is orbiting you, pulling off automatic effects like dolly zoom or hyperlapse, all while avoiding obstacles. No more shaky footage or lost signals. The improved antenna and optional OcuSync module ensure rock-solid connection up to several kilometers. Now, let's talk battery life, because who wants a drone that dies after 10 minutes? The Neo 2 boasts longer runtime, with leaks suggesting up to 30 minutes per charge in optimal conditions, thanks to efficient motors and a smarter power system. And storage. 49 gigabytes built in, so you can shoot hours of video without swapping cards mid-flight. But here's where the 2026 leaks get exciting: rumors of over-the-air updates that could add 5G connectivity for unlimited range in permitted areas, or even integration with AR glasses for first-person view flying. What if your drone could stream live to your phone in real time, no lag, while you're exploring remote spots? That's the future these leaks are teasing. Of course, not everything's perfect. In the US, there's that DJI ban from late 2025, but leaks indicate the Neo 2 might get FCC approval loopholes through models like the Lido series, keeping it accessible. Pricing starts at around $259 for the base, jumping to $599 for the Motion Fly More combo with extra batteries and the RCN3 controller. Is it worth it? Absolutely, if you're into vlogging, real estate tours, or just casual fun. Compared to the original Neo, the 2-axis gimbal reduces reliance on software stabilization, meaning less post-processing for you. Versus competitors like the Hover Air X1, the Neo 2 wins on versatility. It can do FPV with the motion controller, turning it into a mini racing drone. Let me paint a scenario for you. You're a content creator in the USA dodging those new regs. You grab the Neo 2, launch it from your palm, and it follows you through a city park, capturing 4K portraits in 2.7K mode. The Rocksteady EIS keeps everything steady. Horizon balancing ensures level shots, and with ISO up to 6400, night flights are viable. Leaks even suggest new modes for 2026. like enhanced subject recognition for pets or wildlife, making it ideal for nature lovers. But wait, what about durability? The refined design handles winds better, and the prop guards are tougher, reducing crash damage. Diving deeper into the tech, the Wi-Fi 6 support means faster data transfer. Upload your footage straight to the cloud without waiting. And for pros, the aperture at f/2.2